Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make taler bora, that is palm fruit fritters. It is a must try recipe for all my viewers. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, peel off the black skin of ripe taal and separate 3 parts of it. Now extract the juice of the taal by scrubbing on wire mesh like this. You can use this type of grater also to extract the juice. Now add 1 teaspoon of lime to reduce the bitterness of the juice. Keep it aside for 2 hours. After that, the soft lime becomes as hard as stone. Discard it from the juice. Take the juice in a karai and cook over low flame for half an hour until it becomes thick. During cooking, keep on stirring so that it does not stick to the bottom of the karai. Then keep aside for cooling. Now first we are going to make a batter for taler bora. For that we are going to add 2 cups of juice in a large bowl. Let's add half cup of suji, half cup of rice flour, half cup of maida, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. If you like, you can add 1 cup of grated coconut also. Mix it thoroughly to make a smooth and semi-thick batter. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now keep the batter aside for 10 minutes. In the meantime, heat up 2 cups of white oil in a karai and make the flame medium. Once the oil is hot enough, take a small portion of batter and add it to the oil one by one. When all the sides are golden brown, let's take it off from the oil to a serving plate. Now taler bora, that is palm fruit fritters, is ready to be served as evening snacks. If you enjoy the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get notification of our new videos. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.